OUKITEL has recently announced a new smartphone called OUKITEL Y4800. The new series carries the letter Y, which in fact means a youth series, or young. The dimension of the smartphone weighs 170 with battery. The OUKITEL Y4800 is packed with a 6GB and 128GB internal storage, which can be expanded later with a microSD card. Another of the strong points of this OUKITEL Y4800 will be its processor. Manufactured by MediaTek, the Helio P60, which will be responsible for moving any type of application and game that we demand. This processor is comparable in performance, for example with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. So it will be more than enough for the vast majority of users. OUKITEL Y4800 smartphone's highlight is its mega battery of non-removable 4000 mAh lithium polymer. The device runs on Android 9.1 Pie operating system. The smartphone has a 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel with dual LED and a dual rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera.